Hi everyone, I'm Sarah, a study abroad student ambassador at Singapore Management University. Today, I'm giving you a full walkthrough of my housing so you can get a real sense of what living here is like as an exchange student. SMU and GW do not offer student housing, so I found this apartment online through a resource called student.com. Let's get started. So this is my bedroom. It's a little on the barren side right now because I've already packed up for the end of the term. But don't worry, it's not normally this empty. When everything is set up, it definitely feels more warm and homey. The room comes with the essentials: a bed, desk, wardrobe. The right wardrobe is a bit wonky but workable, and it has the best sunrise view I could ever imagine. Next, you have the bathroom. This is an Asian style bathroom, so instead of having a separate shower stall, the entire room is a wet room, so everything is meant to get wet and the water drains through the floor, which actually makes cleaning super convenient. Laundry is also really easy here, and I share a washer and dryer with my 4 roommates. One of the best parts about this building are the amenities. The gym is incredible. It has a variety of weights and machines, even a rock climbing wall. The best part has to be the view. You have a beautiful panorama of the city while you work out, which makes gym days feel like a treat. There's a pool downstairs and tennis courts, which are surprisingly a more popular amenity than you'd think here in Singapore, with lots of my friends' housings all across the city featuring similar amenities. We also have a co-working room, which is one of my favorite spaces during exam season. It's quiet, it has plenty of tables and outlets, and it's a nice place to get work done outside of your room or the school library. There's also a yoga terrace. I like using it sometimes, although I'll admit most days it's too hot for me to stay out there very long. Singapore's humidity is intense and the temperature rarely drops noticeably, even with the sunset. So transportation, on the other hand, could not be more convenient. Directly across the street from my building, there's a bus stop with a direct line to Singapore Management University, and the ride takes around 20 minutes. Even better, the MRT station is directly under my building. Excellent for rainy days. You can just hop on the train and you're on campus also in about 20 minutes. It makes getting to class, exploring the city, or meeting with friends super easy. And of course, food. One of the biggest perks of living in Singapore is the food. Under the building and along the nearby streets, there's a huge range of restaurants and cafes. Some of my favorites that are under my building include Din Tai Fung, a small neighborhood deli, Moss Burger, which is a really popular fast food chain here, Ziz Coffee, and Starbucks. I also live just a 10-minute walk from Lau Pat Sa, which is a very popular hawker center in Singapore. So that's a full look at my housing. I hope you enjoyed.